Yo, what's up, Currency Trading Academy? It's your boy Julius, aka the Gold Collector on Instagram. Yeah, I'm back at it again with another Saturday market analysis on gold and the NASDAQ. Yeah, let's get right into it, guys. So, I didn't trade that much last week. That's why I didn't do a market breakdown last week. But let's just see how gold has been performing. So, I'm on a 30-minute time frame. As you can see, gold has been on a bullish run. It's been nothing but bullish ever since. Um, Thursday's 20 Thursday, September 25th. It's just been on a fucking massive run. Actually, even if you want to even go back even further, it's been running up ever since August, mid-August. Massive run. And we could credit this all to fundamentals because like Trump is still having the tariff wars, there's still wars in the Middle East. So when there was uncertainty in the world, gold will go up because the value of the dollar will go down because gold is a safe haven. And so what investors like to do, they like to invest their money into pretty substantial safe haven money where their money will be safe. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you guys where I caught my trades. So I caught 93 pips here on 50 contracts. I definitely passed one of the challenges here. I almost blew one of the challenges over here, but then I made back a lot of my money over here on this 108 pip win. Took this nice breakout trade. But yeah, guys, that was pretty much it. I didn't really trade all that much last week. But I'm going to go ahead and remove my charts and start charting for y'all. So as always, I like to start on a daily time frame. Let me move these for you. It's gold's all-time high. Daily resistance. Daily resistance. Daily resistance. And if gold does a nice pullback over here, we'll do a nice daily support and resistance. So yeah, gold did a crazy pullback over here on Thursday of last week, and then it's just starting to rally again. So we're gonna definitely continue to look for buys. In the market. This area right here has not been retested as support, so we can definitely see. I could definitely tell that price would like to come back down here. And I'd like to mark my zones until the next Sunday. Adjust this. And all we're trying to do is we're trying to find the most common places where gold may have a nice rejection off of. So gold may take liquidity from the new all-time high and come back down to then do a deeper retracement, but we don't know. We have to wait for our candlestick signal. I think that's pretty much it, guys, because there's not much to go off of here. Nice small zone right here. So at market open, price might do something like this. Might come back up, retest this previous level of resistance as support, come back up, might come back down here, it might come back down here. So those are my predictions. I mean, we don't really know what's going to happen, but as long as you have a game plan, then you're golden. You know what I mean? When price hits your area of interest, then you just execute. All right. So now I'm going to go over to Nasdaq. The Nasdaq just sunk, just fucking belly flopped onto the market, totally tanked. But yeah, I don't want to cover my trades here too much because it was kind of bullshit. New all-time high. Nice daily resistance. Daily resistance. And if price does decide to break this area of support, we know where it can go down to. So all this liquidity over here, ready to be taken out. So price just did a massive, massive fucking dump. It dropped over 468 pips. Fucking insane. Yeah, guys, those are my levels for Nasdaq. I'm gonna leave it like this because there's not too much crazy opportunities. We got to see what price is gonna do, and we'll see how to react off of it. So those are my levels for Nasdaq. I'll go back to gold. These are my levels for gold. Take a screenshot, and let's look up for the forex fundamentals for the week. Something's up in my filters. What the fuck? So we have core PPI, unemployment claims. Oh fuck! NFP moved again. Fuck. CPI is on Thursday now. Wow, what the fuck? See, NFP got moved 2 weeks now. There's no NFP this month. Oh wait, NFP got moved to the 23rd. So interesting. So NFP got moved to the 23rd. At least CPI is still last week on Thursday. Yeah, guys. Those are my trades for the week. This is what I'll be looking at. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot my DMs. Happy to answer them for you. All right, guys. Peace.